Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to change your savings goal in Trim. You want to set a savings goal in Trim but need to adjust it later? Well, whether your plans change or you're saving faster than expected, updating your goal is quick and easy. Let me show you how it's done. First, you're going to start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account. And then you're going to tap on the Savings or Goals tab to see all your current saving goals. Now select the goal that you want to update, like new car or rainy day funds, whatever it is. Go ahead and click on it, and then you inside the goal, you're gonna tap the settings icon or look for an edit goal button. And here you'll be able to update your goal amount. You can increase it if you're aiming for higher or lower if your target has changed. You're also going to be able to edit the target date. You can adjust this if you need more time or want to speed things up. You're also going to be able to change the goal name, so personalize it anytime to keep it relevant. Once you've made your changes, just tap save or update goal. Trim will automatically recalculate your recommended savings schedules based, of course, on the new information. And don't worry, your previous saving contribution will still count towards the new goal. That's it, you successfully updated your savings plan without starting from scratch. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw savings from your Trim account just in case you need to use what you've saved. Like and subscribe for that video, and don't miss any of our other videos for more smart money tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.